Hello, is Misha Emily Nichioan, le cló of Ratin an Halifax, Albanoig, Canada. Agus hasina getar hengachug Anne of Green Gables, le Ellen Montgomery, go Gaelic. Hello, I'm Emily McEwen with Braden Press in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, and we are translating Anne of Green Gables by Ellen Montgomery to Scottish Gaelic for the very first time. The title of Anne of Green Gables in Gaelic is Auna Ruig. That means red-haired Anne. And that would be a very typical Gaelic nickname for somebody named Anne who has red hair. This Kickstarter is raising money to pay the translator and a Gaelic dialect editor who's going to give the dialogue a bit of maritime Gaelic dialect flavor. And of course, copy editing and proofreading, the interior design of the book, the cover illustration, and then printing and shipping the books. What is Gaelic, you might be wondering? Here in Nova Scotia, we call it Gaelic. In Scotland, it's often called Gaelic. In general, it could be called Scottish Gaelic or Scottish Gaelic. Sometimes it's called Scots Gaelic or Scots Gaelic. In the language itself, it's called Gaelic, and it is a sister language, you could say, to Irish. Here's our translator for the project, Morag Auna Nichnéil, in the village of Yolagerry on the Isle of Barra in Scotland.
Hallo, is Misha Morag Auna Nichnéil, agus ha mi fwydach am y barai. Ba mi y Turkish Gaelic fat cwg blom y fichyd, a ha mi nesio ysgrifel agus y gyda'r hangach y glorich yn Gaelic. Hello, my name is Morag Auna McNeil and I live in the Hebridean island of Barra. I was a teacher for 25 years, but now I write and translate Gaelic books. I was absolutely delighted when I was asked to translate Anne of Green Gables. This was a favourite of mine as a child, and I think it's an absolute classic. I love the character of Anne. I think she is funny, she is imaginative, she is really strong, and I'm looking forward to turning her into somebody who can speak Gaelic. I really hope that Auna Ruig will continue to delight a new generation of young Gaelic readers.
I talked to our cover illustrator, Etta Moffat, about her family's Gaelic roots.
My father's mother, Etta, was the last Gaelic speaker in our family. She died when I was 12, and I was named after her. Her original name was Etta McFadgen, and her family were from the Isle of Coll and Muck, I think. Being Gaelic was something that she hid. She was the stereotype of the Gaelic woman. She had told us lots of stories, and she had bright red hair, and she used to sing to us at bedtime, as I recall. I grew up with Anne of Green Gables, and she was my mother's. The idea of kindred spirit was something that was very much in our home.
We're really looking forward to creating a Gaelic Anne, Auna. And I hope that you all will be as excited about this as we are about translating Anne of Green Gables into Scottish Gaelic in the Canadian Maritimes. Everybody can enjoy Gaelic culture, the music, the dance, the sound of the language and the songs. People really know, Anne. And we want people to be able to get to know Gaelic language and culture through Anne.